When you're brushing, make sure you brush every part of your teeth. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking into this video. I hope you're doing well. My name is Jemima. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to see how we can whiten our teeth at home using home ingredients. As you're seeing, we are going to use bicarbonate of soda, a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Yes, we are going to use bicarbonate of soda or baking soda simply because it is a chemical with a weak alkaline compound that looks like white crystals. Our teeth are coated with a shiny protective shield known as enamel, but baking soda reduces the acidity on the teeth, making it look more white. You can use any toothpaste you have at home, but me, I chose Colgate White because everyone on this planet will need to use it. Colgate White does a lot of things. I'll be showing you more of the things it does. It whitens, cleans, shines, but today we are going to use it to brighten our teeth. Yes, just get your toothbrush, put your toothpaste on it, then we are going to add our magic baking soda. This is one of the methods you can use, but there are so many methods you can use baking soda. You can choose to first brush with your toothpaste, then after you can use baking soda added with water. You can make a small paste of baking soda and then brush first, then after brush with your toothpaste. But this is just the way I chose to use it. Yeah, like I'm showing you, we're going to start brushing our teeth. When you're brushing, make sure you brush every part of your teeth. Make sure you brush every teeth you have in your mouth. Most of the people just brush to brush, but make sure you brush it. Make sure you brush in cycle motion. You brush in front, up, down on the surface of the teeth so that you can clean it very well. If this is your first time here, please make it a point to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jemima256. I'll be giving you a lot of these DIYs, and please try to brush with patience. Don't hurry when you're doing that. When you're using baking soda, use it twice a week. As I told you that it reduces acidity on our teeth, on our normal protective shield. You don't have to use it so much, it can weaken them. I'm not a professional doctor, but I just want to share with you what I use at home, and this is what I use. It works for me. Let me hope it will work for you as well. This is how my teeth looks like, and most of the people have been asking me, so I started to share. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Love you.